It is very important to hold to the truth, whatever it may be to you, for the chaos, the unbridled and immature actions that are seemingly controlling events of great significance should become devoid of their energy to thwart the power of achievement. May all those who are in places of power, who have the ability to bring about a new consideration of atmospheric conditions, be struck by the light, so to speak, or shocked in such a way that their bias and their selfishness may be rescinded so that this great planet can continue for a few more years. Order must be restored to the deep tissue of being so that man can see that the tissue is so thin between this dimension and the next. Your greatest aid is love that sees not selfishness that comes with having or not having, or giving or not giving, and the neurotic conditions that follow. We need to see the all-encompassing nature of love that frees so that there is no offense or offender before the High Court of Appeal. For I have come to judge righteous judgment and not to cast a verdict upon the strivings of a fettered soul in a condition that should have moved beyond the confines of such a dismal creed of person, place, and thing. We should be living a cosmic awareness so that the universe and this world can be given back to the arms of love, and the universe can be seen to be our grandest concept, worn in the gown of restoring the lost to the cause of being, and the cause of being found in the jubilation, becoming I am.